What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2022 Honda Odyssey using Bluetooth. Like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating on a 22 Odyssey in this video, but it will be the same on a couple different years. And I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into our phone settings, open up your Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. And now taking a look at our center screen, from the top menu, we want to click the Bluetooth audio button. And that'll bring us to this screen, and we'll click Connect Device. And then from here, we'll click Connect New Device. Now we'll take a look at our phone, and it'll pop up as hands-free link. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on the center screen, and it does. So on our center screen, we'll click pair, and then on our phone, we'll click pair as well. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. And then if we take a look at our center screen, this is where you'll be able to pick what you want to do with the phone, if you want to give it access to all this or use it for actual calling and internet tethering and all that. So that's where you'll be able to select that on the side over there on those check marks. And then once you have everything selected, I'm just going to go ahead and leave everything selected. But once you have everything you want selected, go ahead and click connect. And then I'm just going to hit continue. And this is asking if I want to give it access in the event of a collision. I'm not going to set that up right now. But that's it. Now we're fully connected. And then also, if you don't have the app, you may want to go ahead and install it to get access to the full features. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.